Welcome back to Beaumont's Home Kitchen. Today we're making chocolate cream pie. Let's do it. Okay, so in a bowl, we'll do 1/4 cup of cornstarch into a bowl, 3/4 of a cup of sugar. So this is for the pudding, for the base of the pie, and then we'll do a nice little whipped cream after. Pinch of salt. Just gonna mix it up a touch. Egg yolks, dump all the milk in here. All together. So in a saucepan, add our mixture. We're gonna turn it on some medium-ish heat. We're gonna add our chocolate. You want to continually stir until it becomes thick, till it slowly comes to a boil. So now it's slowly come to a boil and it's starting to become very thick. Remove from the heat, add 4 tablespoons of butter, stir until the butter melts. You want to let this mixture cool down to at least room temperature. Make sure it's not set enough so you can still put it into your pie shell. You want to put your pie shell in the oven, 400 for 10 to 12 minutes, till golden brown. So in the mixer, add 2 tablespoons of softened cream cheese, 2 tablespoons of white sugar, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix until all combined. Slowly add 1 cup of heavy cream. Mix whipped cream until soft peaks happen. Normally it takes 2 to 3 minutes. When the whipping cream is at this stage, we're good. Let's take our pie shell out of the oven, let cool for 5 to 6 minutes. Then we can add our chocolate pudding mixture. So I just filled the pie up in the lovely filling there. Yummy. Chocolate's still pretty hot, so I'm just gonna let it cool off, and then I'm gonna add my whipping cream to it after it cools down in the fridge let it set for like 3 hours, and then enjoy some chocolate cream pie. And I also had some chocolate left over, and I just did you can do little pudding cups too. Yummy. Let's assemble our pie. Yummy, looking good. Our whipped cream right on top. Oh, make little waves in it. I'm liking that. Toss some shaved chocolate on there. Make sure it's all spread out as even as possible, but hey, it's a pie. Let's give our chocolate cream pie a try. Exactly what you would expect for a velvety, nice chocolate cream pie. Crust is perfect, the pie and the whipped cream. Success. Chocolate cream pie. Thanks for watching Beaumont's Kitchen. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share. Do make some chocolate cream pie. Bye. See you soon.